Okey. Dah on ni. Atuk cakap ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bima Adepio. You can call me Bima.
Perkenalkan nama
I
saya.
will present my
Saya
presentation.
saya.
Definition of conjunction. A conjunction is word used to connect two words, present clauses, or sentence, making the relationship between parts of a sentence clearer and more coherent. In English, conjunction also serve to link elements in a sentence that have different of roles. Konjungsi adalah kata yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan dua kata. Prosa, klausa, atau kalimat memuat hubungan antara bagian-bagian kalimat menjadi lebih jelas dan koheren. Purpose of using conjunction. The primary purpose of using conjunction in a sentence are to connect ideas, information, or statements that are related, to make sentence clear and easier to understand, to avoid redundancy by not repeating words or process unnecessarily, to clarify the relationship of cause and effects, time, context, and other connection between clause or sentence. Tujuan utama menggunakan konjungsi dalam kalimat adalah poin pertama, menghubungkan ide, informasi, atau pernyataan yang terkait. Poin kedua, membuat kalimat lebih jelas dan mudah dipahami. Poin ketiga, menghindari pengulangan kata atau prosa yang tidak perlu. Poin keempat, menjelaskan hubungan sebab akibat, waktu, perbedaan, dan hubungan lainnya antara klausa atau kalimat. Function of conjunction. Conjunction survey various function. Depending on type, generally, conjunction are used to connect equal element, for example, linking nouns with nouns, adjective with adjective, and so on. Connect cluster of sentence that are equal, meaning the can stands alone about or related. So relationship of time, cause, and effects contains sentence attacks. Konjungsi memiliki berbagai fungsi tergantung jenisnya. Secara umum, konjungsi digunakan untuk poin yang pertama, menghubungkan elemen yang setara. Misalnya, menghubungkan kata benda dengan kata benda, kata sifat dengan kata sifat, dan seterusnya. Poin yang kedua, menghubungkan klausa atau kalimat yang setara. Artinya, mereka dapat berdiri sendiri namun saling terkait. Poin yang ketiga, menunjukkan hubungan waktu, sebab akibat, kondisi, perbedaan, dan lain-lain. Type of conjunction. There are survey types of conjunction based on their function. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction are used to connect equal parts of a sentence, such as words with words, clauses with clauses, a text, example, and, or, but, because, not. Example, and I like reading and writing. Example, or, do you want coffee or tea? Example, about, I want to go to the bags, but it's raining. Example, because She didn't go to school because she was sick. Example, nor. He didn't call nor did he send messenger. Subbranding conjunction. Subbranding conjunction are used to connect a main clause with a subordinate clause, depending clause, which cannot stand alone. Example because, before, after, although, if, when. Example because. I did count because I was late. Example, although she is sick, she still works. Example, if you study hard, you will pass the exam. Example of before. I left before going to the office. Example after. She sleep after dinner. Correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are used in pairs to link two elements of equal importance. Example, but and not only but also either or. Example, but and both my sister and went to the event. Example, not only. Also, she is not only a hardworking student but also a talent singer. Example, either or. You can either go to the movie or time. Example of conjunction used in sentence coordinating conjunction. I want to go to the market and buy some groceries. He is some but lazy when it comes to studying. Subordinating conjunction. Because it was raining, we students home. I will repeat after the meeting is super. Correlative conjunction. She is not only good cook, but also great dancer. Contoh penggunaan konjungsi dalam kalimat koordinatif. Contohnya adalah saya ingin pergi ke pasar dan membeli beberapa bahan makanan. Contoh kedua, dia pintar tapi malas saat belajar. Konjungsi subordinatif. Contohnya adalah karena hujan kami tinggal di rumah. Contoh lainnya, saya akan tiba setelah rapat selesai. Konjungsi korelatif. Dia tidak hanya juru masak yang baik, tetapi juga penari yang hebat. Conclusion. Conclusion are an essential part of language that help structure sentence and make communication more organized and coherent. Using conjunction, we can connect ideas, clauses, or information in a clear and more effective way. Proper use of conjunction also enhance clarity and fluency in both writing and speaking. Kesimpulan, konjungsi adalah bagian penting dalam bahasa yang membantu menyusun kalimat dan membuat komunikasi lebih teratur dan koheren. Dengan menggunakan konjungsi, kita dapat menggunakan ide, klausa, atau informasi dengan cara yang lebih jelas dan efisien. Penggunaan konjungsi yang tepat juga menggunakan kejelasan dan kelancaran dalam menulis dan berbicara. Thank you.